Alright, YouTube, it's another self-help video. This one is not redneck style. This is a Moen faucet in the shower. The problem I'm having is it'll turn on easy, but it doesn't want to turn off. It's like stuck. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the valve, show you guys at home how to take this thing apart. First thing is there's a Allen head set screw right there. Pull that out. I already took this apart, just showing you guys. Alright, set screw. Then you got the plastic piece that holds the faucet handle on. There's a Phillips screw inside there. Then you got, now this one, pay attention how this is set, because this limits how hot you can turn the water on. I just got mine set at the top so you can turn the hot water all the way on. Take that out, take that out. Then you can take the two screws out of the faceplate. That comes off. Pull the sleeve off. There we go. Now, up at the top, you'll see this little clip. It's right down in there. I pulled mine out with a pair of needle nose. Just be careful you don't drop this down in the wall, because you do need this. It's what holds the valve in place. So, after you pull that out, I had to take a flathead and kind of persuade mine to get started a little bit. But just gently pull up and down, side to side. This one's still being a little stubborn, but it is coming. There it goes. Gently, gently. Alright, and there it is. Now you just take this to Home Depot, get another one, slide it in the same way, and reverse order how you took it apart, and that's how you can fix your shower head. I would imagine you probably need to make sure which way is up on this thing. I don't see any. Okay, here's a mark. Let's see if you can see that. It's got a HC at the top, so that's top HC. I don't know if you can see it. It's not focusing, but anyways, it's pretty simple. So if you got a Moen shower faucet set and it's dripping when you turn it off, or like mine doesn't want to turn back off, that's how you take it apart to get another one and fix it yourself instead of calling a plumber.